So now let's see how we can work around with texture dilation inside a Photopea. So in order to work around with texture dilation, first of all, you need to go around onto filter right here. Then you need to go to 3D, and here you can see that texture dilation is an option. So over here, what you have is you got the crop option right here. So if I were to go around and crop, then you can see that at the edges right here, you can see that the texture dilation happens right here. The edge is actually being spaced out, as you can see right here. I can also type in the value right here, just like this, according to how you want. But if I were to go around and let's say, for example, type in more value right here, just like this, even if you can see that the slider just goes 20 pixel, it simply goes around and applies that dilation value right here, just like that. You can also work around with the radius, as you can see right here, to change around the radius of the edges, as you can see right here, just like this. Radius is 0 pixel right here, or you can go around and change this around onto 18 pixel and so forth, as you can see right here, just like this as well. So let's just go around and reduce this, as you can see right here, just like this. And you can also go around and reduce out the values, and you can see that on the edges you see the radius actually increases out right there, just like that. So let's just go around onto 600 pixel right here, and then you can see that that is what you have right here. So let's just go around over here and go for 200 px right here, just like this, and then you can see that that is what you have. Change this around, press OK, and this is the effect that you have. And that is how you can work around with texture dilation inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.